Very much for giving me. Yeah, thank you very much for giving me great time again to come again online. My iPhone went off while I was about presenting, and I appreciate your efforts for coming back. I'm about going through the objective of the paper. The main objective of this paper is to fit time series model to Nigerian economic development data, and why the specific objective were to determine the growth rate for agricultural, industry, and service, to examine the effect of these sectors on the GDP, likewise to test for the seasonal trend among the linear and exponential trend model of the three key sectors of the economy. The research question include: to what extent does growth rate for agricultural, industry, and service contribute and has an effect on the real GDP of Nigeria? To what extent does the seasonal trend growth rate of the linear and exponential data for the three key sectors of the economy and forecast using the fitted model, and how it influenced the economy of Nigeria? The related work include: GDP was first developed by Simeon Cotes for a US Congress reported in 1934. We immediately said not to use it as a measurement of welfare. After the Bretton Woods Conference in 1994, GDP becomes the main tool for measuring the country's economic growth and standard of living. GDP becomes measuring standard of living. As such, Roosevelt stage of economic theory was stipulated in this research. Likewise, it has 5 stages: the traditional society stage, the preconditional takeoff stage, the takeoff stage, the derived maturity stage, the age of high mass consumption stage. This is because one of the important concepts is the theory of modernization in social evolution, and among other mentions. Method of data analysis include: this paper employs secondary data from Central Bank of Nigeria website annual bulletin from 1981 to 2020 period. The statistical tool for manipulation include the Minitab version 17.3 and the SPSS version 20.0. Time plot. The first stage in building a time series model entails a details of analysis of characteristics of individual time series variable, which involved in this research, useful for comparing data pattern of different groups. Time plot is a graph or plot of observation YT on the vertical axis against the time T on the horizontal axis. Such, the feature could be seasonal trend or unusual variable, sometimes referred to as an outlier. Time plot of Nigerian economic growth, illustrating the agricultural, industry, and service. Likewise, the total GDP from 1981 to 2019, 2020 to be precise, on the graph here illustrated with me here. Also, I'm trying to share the documents. Also, the model specification for the time plots. These include the simple linear curve and the exponential curve. Why the model has been derived. We have the YT is equal to alpha plus beta plus.
And we would like to request Sulaiman to make the conclusion of your paper.
The conclusion of the data analysis include the paper conclude that the service are the key contribution to Nigerian economic growth, since it has the highest growth GDP rate. Likewise, it is realized according to Fisher-Clark that Nigerian economy is actually in second stage as a result of two leading sectors, agricultural and industry sector, has the highest contribution to the GDP development. Likewise, box-checking approach to analysis of time series and also contribute a very good fit for the model. Likewise, therefore, ARIMA 101 model is suitable for the modeling of GDP components as contribution. Grossier theory of economic development point out that economic between the preconditional for takeoff stage becomes the preceding for Nigerian basic economic. Nigerian economy is actually in the takeoff stage. Finally, it was found that agricultural sectors, industrial sector, and service sector and the overall GDP play a significant role in affecting the economic growth of Nigeria. Therefore, Nigerian economy is actually developing. The recommendation include the Central Bank of Nigeria should come out with sustainable policy guideline to enable the commercial bank disburse loan to farmers at a very low interest rate in order to help them to expand the production capacity, training more extensive workers to educate farmers in the use of modern productive techniques to help boost the country's productive capacity. Likewise, Nigerian politicians should be encouraged to invest in the allied mineral industry. Nigerians should reduce economic mismanagement and shun corruption. I time as the paper. Thank you very much. The reference is out well stated. APA format.
Thank you very much for your such a wonderful presentation and big hand for Sulaiman. Thank you.